Good morning, everyone. I'm Kristen Myers, editor-in-chief of ETF.com, here with your market minute for Wednesday. Have to look at the date, May 28th. So today is going to be all about tech and specifically semiconductors. And that's because earnings is back again in focus. And this time we are talking about Nvidia. Nvidia earnings are on deck. They are set to report after the bell today. And as of right now, traders are kind of taking a bit of a beat as they wait for those Nvidia earnings. Now, just a brief reminder, Nvidia is the world's second most valuable company. And so however Nvidia reports today is going to be incredibly important to the markets. Now, investors are going to be wanting to hear what Nvidia has to say about future growth, if tariffs are impacting them at all, and what they can anticipate in terms of revenue going forward. So let's take a look at some semiconductor ETFs right now to see how they are doing. First up, let's look at SOX. That's SOXX, the iShares Semiconductor ETF. It is in the red, just slightly, down about 1/10 of a percentage point. But then we also have USD, that is the ProShares Ultra Semiconductors ETF. Now, it is also in the red, down about 1/3 of a percentage point right now as we sort of head towards midday trading. Want to take a look very quickly, at least at the entire tech sector. So looking at QQQ, that's the Invesco QQQ Trust. Now, this ETF kind of closely mirrors the NASDAQ, which is a very tech-heavy index. It is in the red, but hovering somewhat close to flatline, not even down 1/10 of a percentage point. Now, looking at the broader market, we have SPY, that's a Spider S&P 500 ETF Trust. It is also in the red right now, down about 1/4 of a percentage point. Again, everyone is waiting to see how Nvidia is going to do in the earnings report today. Now, if they do incredibly well and they offer a lot of upside and optimism going forward, you're probably going to see a very big swing to the upside in the markets in the trading session tomorrow. Now, on the flip side, if Nvidia reports that they aren't anticipating some sort of pressure in terms of earnings and revenue going forward, if they mention tariffs, we're going to see markets probably tick downwards tomorrow. As always, make sure to like, follow, and subscribe to ETF.com as we keep you updated on everything to do with earnings and the markets, and as always, your investor portfolio.